Norway's women beach handball team
Welcome,
is in the
guys.
news. It has been fined for improper bottom wear
Like,
at the
share,
European Beach
subscribe to
Handball
this channel.
Championships. What did they wear, you ask? Shorts. What's so improper about shorts? Well, the women athletes were expected to wear bikini bottoms. They refused to entertain and instead chose to wear shorts to cover up with shorts. The European Handball Federation then fined each athlete around $177.
Fine for wearing shorts.
Is there any logic to wearing bikini bottoms? There is none. What do the rules say? They scream sexism and discrimination. Women are expected to wear bikini bottoms, and not just any bikini bottoms. They must have a quote-unquote close fit and be, and I'm quoting from the rules, they must be cut on an upward angle toward the top of the leg. Because obviously, the more the exposure, the more the entertainment. What about men? Well, they can wear what they are comfortable in. Their shorts do not need to be skin-hugging or cut on an upward angle.
They can wear anything.
The International Handball Federation rules say men's short, if not too baggy, can be longer, but must remain 10 centimeters above the kneecap. Such consideration and such sexism. When it comes to men, it's their game that prevails. When it comes to women, it's somehow
Leave your opinions in the comment section below.
Objectifying them. Please the audience first.
Fine for not wearing bikinis. The Norwegian.
In 2011, the Badminton World Federation decreed that women must wear skirts or dresses if they wanted to play at the elite level. Do you know why? To create a quote-unquote more attractive presentation. They said it in so many words. A top official of the federation said that people were losing interest in badminton since women were competing in oversized shorts and long pants. Hardly anybody is watching, the man complained. And then he went on to say, and I'm quoting here, TV ratings are down and we want to build them up. And how do you do that? Force women to wear clothes that are more revealing. Women are not baits for viewers and advertisers. If people want entertainment, they should watch Baywatch. I'm sorry, but you cannot be telling athletes what they should wear in the hope of attracting
like,
more
share,
spectators.
subscribe this video.
This is Olivia Breen. She's a Paralympic sprinter and long jumper. Olivia is 24. On the 19th of July, she was told that her running briefs are inappropriate. An official told her that her briefs are too revealing and that she should consider buying new briefs. Breen wrote about the experience. She says, I was left speechless. It made me question whether a male competitor would be similarly criticized. Well, we know the answer. From high school to parliament, it is somehow always women who are schooled on what to wear, the length of their clothes, the cut of their hair, their swimsuit. Research shows that a swimsuit too revealing or any sports gear too revealing can take a toll on a woman's performance. When you're wearing something you're not comfortable in, you become conscious. It affects your game. And of all the people, those in sports federations should understand this. Norway's female handball team have been complaining about the bikini bottoms for 15 years now. They chose to flout the rules because their request was rejected. And by doing so, this team of talented women made a statement to every sexist rule maker out there, who for once should finally learn to let women be. WION is now available in bikini bottoms during games. The 3-time Grammy Award winner has offered to pay the disciplinary fines the 10-member team incurred by the European Handball Federation. The EHF said the women competed in improper clothing when they opted for shorts instead of the mandated bikini bottoms at the European Beach Handball Championship. In a tweet, Pink said, I'm very proud of the Norwegian female beach handball team for protesting the very sexist rules about their uniform. She added, the European Handball Federation should be fined for sexism. Good on you, ladies. I'll be happy to pay your fines for you. Keep it up. According to the IHF's rules, female athletes must wear bikini bottoms with a close fit and cut on an upward angle towards the top of the leg. The side width must be of a maximum of 10 centimeters. Tennis legend Billie Jean King also spoke out in support of the Norwegian team. On Twitter, King called out the sexualization of women athletes and pointed out that male handball players do not have to follow the same rules. While the Norwegian Handball Federation announced their support to the team, the European Handball Federation took a different position. According to a statement from the EHF on July 19, the Disciplinary Commission imposed a fine of €150 per player, that is, around $175 per player,
on the squad due to their improper clothing. The statement read, "The Disciplinary Commission at the Beach Handball Euro 2021 has dealt with a case of improper clothing. In the bronze medal game against Spain on Sunday, the team of Norway played with shorts that are not according to the athlete uniform regulations defined in the IHF beach handball rules of the game," the statement added. Earlier this week, the team took to Instagram to address the overwhelming support they have received across the world. In their post, they said, "We are also very proud about making a statement in the bronze final by playing in shorts instead of required bikini bottoms. We are overwhelmed by the attention and support from all over the world. Thank you so much to all